Thank you, Mr. Biani. I'm going to request Mr. Bond to please say a few words as well.
Okay, good afternoon, Mumbai. It's an honor to be here tonight or this afternoon. So just a few words on Lycra. I think a lot has been said already, but Lycra is an almost invisible elastic fiber that has really transformed fashion and apparel for many, many years. Imagine if you had today garments, whether it's denim, leggings, a t-shirt that doesn't stretch, doesn't recover, doesn't give you the fit of the freedom of movement. So that has been our contributions to fashion, and we're committing to continue to innovate. We've been at the forefront of many key innovation, working with brand partners throughout the world. Um, Super stretch denim, the comfort in leggings, and many others. And our commitment in India, working with FBBs to continue this spirit of innovation, to bring quality garments to the FBB stores, and to, starting with the collection you can see in the stores today, but also for the many years to come, continue to bring innovation to this market. So thank you very much, and stay tuned. More to come.
Fantastic. I think there is no better notes that we can think of. The fashion show has ended, as you all know, and it's going to be time to say bye to Vidyut Jamwal and Nisha Gupta very soon. Would you like that? But you've not been making noise for them. You've not been making energy. You've not been showing us energy. How excited are you that they are here today? So we're going to ask them to say some last words to all of you who are here today.
Normally, I would like the lady to speak first, but now that she's given me the mic, normally I don't fall like this, but I think today is one of those days. But thank you very much, Mr. Bayani. You've been a great sport, and thank you all the people sitting over here. Audience, you are very good. You are very good. You guys are very good too. Thank you very much.
Um, Hello. I'd like to. No, that's all. So, thank you, firstly, all of you for coming here and watching us. But most of all, I think from the Indian market, I really like to thank FBB and Lycra for this association, first of all. Because trust me, like getting a good pair of jeans, which is affordable and long lasting, I think it's the main concern for anyone, including me and including all of you. सेकेंडली आवाज़ तो आई नहीं मुझे ऑडियंस में से, तो मुझे पता नहीं ऑडियंस को हम पसंद आए नहीं आए, तो अब आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से, कुछ आवाज़ नहीं आ रही ऑडियंस में से. But I'm really glad to be here. Thank you, आप सब आए हमें मिलने. And I'm really glad that I'm here again on sharing a stage with Vidyut. We've already done 2 films, and this is the 3rd time we are here, so thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Bayani. Thank you so much, Mr. Bond, for joining us here. It's been an absolutely splendid evening, and we are going to thank all of you for joining us here. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot say this enough. All we are talking about is superior stretch, extra durability, and ultimate shape retention. Thank you, Vidyut. Thank you, Isha, for joining us here and making this evening such a huge success. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant evening ahead.
You know, it depends. First of all, I'm looking at High Street. Sorry, camera, na? It depends if I'm looking at High Street or a designer. FBB is a brand which is High Street. So for me, High Street always depends on, first of all, dependability, like how long the brand or how long the outfit or whatever I'm buying, does it last? Because it's denim, so I'll stick to denim. So first is longevity, which is dependability. Second, I think I really look at the money because it shouldn't. I mean, if I'm spending money on a high street brand a lot, I want the value, the worth back. And third of all, the fit. You know, like it fits like a glove. Like honestly, just you know, even on the stage, I said it. For Indian women, especially, it's really important that a denim fits us really well. Because you know we are all curvy and Indian women are famous for that. So I think that's why the association of FBB with Lycra really works because it stretches and it fits and it hugs you really well.
Okay, your chemistry with you.
It's our we've already done 2 films together. I love him. Like I've always said it, he's a good friend and we've had great connection. And yeah, I like to keep working with him again and again.
He managed to, you know, handle himself. He managed to, he slips and he managed to do it once again. How do you see this trait of? You know,
No, what Vidyut does, no one else can do. I mean, he's been doing it since he was a child. He's really strong. And I think, you know, I've seen him firsthand, like, aankhon se apna, my makeup artist is right here. Even she's seen, you know, like, Commando ke time pe, him doing all his stunts on his own. There's no body double, there's no harness. So I don't think anyone can do what Vidyut does.
Okay, what happened in your professional front?
I just finished Devil's Daughter, which is my international project, Iranian film. Now I'm starting and my next film in June, which is with Kumar Mangaji.
Okay, the last one. Have you seen the teaser or trailer or biopic of Sanju Baba? Sanjay Dutt?
I
What's
loved
your
it. I loved it. What Ranveer has done, it's amazing. He's acted so well. He's got the shoulder and he's got the eyes, he's got the hair, he's got everything. I think it's one of the most awaited films of this year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very good to see you guys.
Tell us your experience.
अबे हिंदी बोलना हो यार.
हाँ, हिंदी अच्छा आपकी कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और हमेशा रैंप पे आयशा के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं फिल्म में भी बहुत ज़्यादा.
Great experience, yeah. First things first, it was superb that FBB and Lycra have merged together. Like I was saying, that it's summertime and normally the denims make you feel very hot, but when they've merged with Lycra, it's a great thing. और हर तरह का आदमी पहन सकता है, चाहे वो अफोर्ड कर सकता है. हर चीज़ अफोर्डेबल है, so it's a great thing.
Okay, Vidyut, what are the three things you look into? You know, whenever you associate yourself with any brand, क्या चीज़ें हैं जिनके आप बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं कि ये सब होना चाहिए, then I'll associate myself with the brand.
Yeah, normally the brands that have approached me till now are authentic. They're amazing brands. So they don't come to me when they are not good enough. So अभी तक जो भी मेरे पास आया, अभी तक मैंने जो भी किया है, वो normally सही लोग आते हैं. So I don't think too much because normally the right people come to me.
Okay, so what happened in your professional front? आप ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाऊँगा, तो choices yours.
नहीं, आप डिटेल में जाइए यार. मैं जंगली अभी भी ख़त्म की है, जो हम लोग दशहरा रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं. इस समय मैं महेश मांजरेकर की एक अनटाइटल्ड मूवी शूट कर रहा हूँ और उसके बाद कमांडो 3.
Okay, have you seen the teaser or trailer of Sanjay Dutt biopic?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Do you think Ranveer justify the way he looked, the way he?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और जिसने इसमें काम किया, जिन्होंने डायरेक्ट किया, बहुत अच्छा काम किया.
Commando 3 कब तक Vidyut?
यार सो पहले मैं ये मनीष मांजरेकर की फिल्म ख़त्म करूँगा और उसके बाद कमांडो 3 शुरू करेंगे और उसमें भी हमने वादा किया है कि FBB का लाइक्रा पहनेंगे यार.
Okay, thank you so much.
थैंक यू सर.